If you love animals and a pop of color on your desk, you're going to smile at this. We've gathered the cutest critters I've ever painted into a brand new 2026 Def calendar. From foxes in the snow to camels in the desert, every month brings a little joy. Take a listen. Every month's a smile, every page a little friend. Critters on my desk again, from the brush of Ginger Cook. A fox in the snow, 3 camels on parade, a mouse in the meadow, and a kitty that prayed. Bears with their honey, dogs dreaming in the sun. Bring home a year of color, let the joy begin with one. The 2026 Critters on Canvas desktop calendar, just $14.95. This can be ordered on gingersartandgiftshop.com website.
Introducing a calendar unlike anything you've ever seen. Every image inside was personally curated and designed by me, Ginger Cook, with one purpose: to give you paintable art that sparks your creativity all year long. This isn't just a calendar you hang on the wall. This is a complete painting experience. It comes with a downloadable printable reference you can use to create your own original artwork. That means you're not guessing at colors. You're not struggling with blurry screenshots. You're working from a clean, high-quality image designed specifically to help painters at every level. No one else is offering a calendar like this. A beautiful art display for your home and a collection of ready-to-paint references you can keep forever. Paint along each month, build your skills, and celebrate your creativity in a truly unique way. This year, let your calendar do more than mark the days. Let it guide you to your next masterpiece.